this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 77 Chevy K10. It's a truck out of Washington. Originally a 400 small block, but it's been replaced with a 454 big block. Here you can see we're running about 55 miles an hour. Air conditioning's working. We just put a new compressor on it. So, nice driving truck. Pretty good shape. Got a little bigger size tires on it. Got maybe a little vibration from that, but there we just hit a bump and you didn't hear any clunks or anything. A little wind noise, but we do got a north wind, so you'll get some of that on these old pickups, but not too bad. Pretty tight old truck. Nice clean truck out of Washington. Got good quality paint on it. Like I said, it's an factory air truck, and we just put a new compressor on it. One thing I know, it only works on one of the fuel tanks. The selector switch is bad. I'm trying to, not the switch, the valve underneath. So I'm trying to get one of them, but as of right now, selling it as just one tank working. So we're gonna stop here at the corner, and then I'm gonna show you how the brakes work. We've still got the original 4x4 instructions for the lockouts. So pretty cool truck. Brakes work good, power brakes, power steering. I gotta wait for this car, and then we'll go through the tranny shifts for you. Just a 3-speed 350 turbo in it. First to second. Second to third. Nice solid shifts. So, real good solid square body truck that runs and drives good. So any questions? 605-695-7391.